This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Damian, you talked about the quarry today versus 25 years ago. There's less people moving toward more tech, more systems to get things done. What does that mean for the role of the person? People, what you guys are leaving me with, are instrumental to the success of your company and have been for 100 years. So I guess what is the role of the person, with a Peckham Industries or with a construction materials company? How does that change, over the next 15, 20 years? Do you have a sense?
Yeah, I mean, if you, and this is already starting to happen, right? If you look at even the technology that's coming into our sites, particularly on the mobile side, but it's also going to happen on the plant side, where you need to be technically proficient in basically troubleshooting, a big loader or a big truck, right? I envisage where we won't even be touching those anymore as owners of those pieces, that will be utilizing the service providers to come in and basically ensure that our fleet is available for production purposes. So I think that side is going to continue to diminish, and that's 20 plus years. But if you think about the age of our fleet, is a big factor on the mechanics that we use. If you take all the pieces we have today, 20 years out, the mechanics won't be touching them with wrenches. They'll be touching them with computers, every piece. I mean, they're doing that today, right? We're going to end up outsourcing that. So the skill set will change for sure. And even on the plant side, right? We'll get to a point where, we'll be outsourcing, the repair and maintenance, even some of these facilities on a more scheduled basis. And the people that are, as the equipment becomes more robust and more reliable, the kind of the maintenance or tear down needs become less and less. So then you want to rely on the experts to do those things and basically look for your warranties and things. And I think that we're already moving that way from an industry standpoint. So to me, when you think about the future, who's going to be running the plant, they're going to be more technically savvy and less hands-on. And we may have automated shovels cleaning up around the plant, or a better system for that carried back on the plants, right? The plants will probably be more enclosed, right? So that environmental issue that we're seeing will continue to improve. So when I think about it from a practical standpoint, those are the changes that we will see. And even today, right, we're looking for more programmers and people to lead our automation of our plant versus 20 years ago, or even 10 years ago, we were looking for electricians, right? That could go in and run wire. That transition is happening. So that to me is where the workforce will be. Less people, probably more technically qualified and relying more on computers or the systems than we see today.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.